Hi. Green tea, it contains a bioactive compound which is called EGCG. Epi, E from epi, gallo, G from gallo, catechin, C, 3-gallate. Epi, gallo, catechin, 3-gallate. It turns down or switch off the ability of the overactive immune system in diseases like multiple sclerosis and lupus erythematosus by lowering the number of pro-inflammatory T cells. It also increases the production of T regulatory cells. These are cells in the immune system which bring the activity of the immune system down to a normal level. So it has a calming effect on overactive immune system. Number 2, EGCG also is anti-angiogenic, meaning anti is against or stop the growth or does not allow the growth of angio, meaning new blood vessels, if it is abnormal or it is not needed or it will cause pathology. Sometimes we need a new blood vessel in healing. But EGCG, it prevents the production of a new blood vessel if it is going to cause a disease. So EGCG is also a DNA protective, to protect the DNA. So the effect, it has been shown by experiments on the mice who suffer from diseases like multiple sclerosis, which is called autoimmune encephalitis. When they were given EGCG orally in the form of extract powder, their symptoms were less severe and their brain shows less overall inflammation, and it reduced the damage of the brain cells. So again, green tea reduced the immune destruction of the brain cells by reducing the inflammation. Also, there are experiments on mice which suffer from a disease, autoimmune disease called lupus. And they find that by doing a blood test, that the mice who ate the green tea extract powder in their diet shows a significant lower level of autoantibodies. So these mice, they show a decrease in their disease by 80% compared to the mice eating a regular diet. 80% decrease in these mice in the immune deposit from the disease called lupus. The kidney were 4 times less damaged from this autoimmune disease. So, because of less kidney damage, these mice fed green tea extract lived twice as long as their regular diet eating counterpart. So green tea increases the T regulatory cell, which quieten down or switch off the immune reaction and reduce the disease severity. And this benefit is also observed in human studies by giving green tea extract capsule in the daily diet, which is equivalent to 4.7 cups of green tea per day. And in human studies, it was shown that the activity of the disease lupus is reduced by 2-fold and 30% improvement in the physical activity and general health. So, this has been seen in patients with lupus erythematosus in comparison with women who receive placebos. So green tea calms the overactive immune system and prevent the symptoms of lupus and also prevent organ damage. And this is very good. Also, EGCG, it causes epigenetic changes that amplify the influence of a tumor suppressor genes. So, it is dampening or switch off the ability for cancer to form. It is also, as we said, it has anti-angiogenic effect, prevent the development of new blood vessels for these cancers, and also it has a good effect on the microbiome. So, the clinical evidence that EGCG has anti-cancer benefit, especially in colon cancer and breast cancer. So, the green tea, it causes the cell to experience epigenetic changes that increase the production of a natural antioxidant enzyme called glutathione S transferase, GSTP1, which protect the DNA by neutralizing free radicals, or what we call ROS. So green tea, it has the ability to kill cancer stem cells. So it reduces the growth of colon cancer stem cells by 50%. It also forced the cancer stem cells to commit suicide by a process called apoptosis, which is a program inside our cells. And matcha green tea, which is a form of powdered tea leaf, can interrupt the metabolic pathway of breast cancer stem cells, depriving them of energy and causing these cells to die. So the effect of EGCG in green tea on targeting cancer stem cells may help explain the protective effect of green tea against cancer and other cancers. Thank you and enjoy drinking your green tea. If you don't like the taste, what I do is I mix it with my black tea, or I will do it separately in a teapot. It is cool. And when I want to cool my black tea or coffee, then I add my green tea. So in this way, I taught myself how to accept the taste of a green tea. Thank you. Keep learning. Keep healthy. God blessing and bye.